To all my type 4 natural girls around the world, this video is for you. I've partnered with My Black is Beautiful to show you how the Golden Milk collection looks and results with 4-type hair. I'm starting this wash day off with hair that's very ready to be washed, so we're headed to the sink right now. This line has 8 products in it, and I'm starting off with the hydrating shampoo that's known to increase moisture and restore hair strain to prevent damage. So I don't wash my hair often, so I need the good stuff. I need something that's going to get to my scalp and like really clean. All right, I've massaged my scalp till I almost fell asleep and we're good. But I wanted to show you a close-up of this 4C goodness. I know we talk about shrinkage so much when we're styling our hair, but this is what healthy 4C hair looks like to me. The shrinkage is very real and very healthy. Next, I'm going in with the fortifying conditioner. And one thing I appreciate about this line is that they use ingredients that I'm familiar with. They use turmeric, ginger, honey, and coconut oil. Things that I use and take internally, so knowing that they can work for my hair externally is a plus. Next, I'm going in with the Intense Recovery Treatment. And while using this product, I decided to take time to detangle my hair. Now, if you have thick hair like me, you know working in sections is where it's at. And because I don't wash my hair every week, I don't mind taking my time to give my hair that tender love and care that it needs. After I'm done, I put on a shower cap for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the product to restore my strands. All right, we are all washed and conditioned, and I keep my twists in because it makes the stretching and styling process easier. Before styling, I'm going in with the Type 4 conditioning cream and the detangling spray. I know I'm not the only one that can't get a top off because they have so much product on their hand. My stretching method of choice is blow drying, and I do so by starting with a blow drying comb and then I move on to a brush. Now it's time to style, and I'm using the curl cream that works to reduce frizz while providing all-day hold. I'm styling my hair in what I like to call plaits, and I'm securing the end with a hanging bantu knot. I'm going to repeat this process for each section and go to sleep and let it set overnight. Well, good morning. Now it's time for the takedown process. I first start by using my favorite oil, and it helps minimize frizz. The next step is to take your time. I have messed up multiple braid outs because I was in a rush, so use an oil to reduce frizz and take your time. I'm a volume over definition girl. I like big hair. So right here you see me separating the pieces even more to give my hair a more full effect. To get more volume and camouflage my parts, I go in with my pick. And to finish off the look, I'm going in with the Edge Slayer, which is a residue and flake-free formula. And there you have it, healthy, thick, and great smelling hair. And always remember that your black is beautiful. Continue to be uniquely and completely you. Bye-bye for now.